Attitude. Just attitude, the willingness to learn, to improve themselves, to understand the process. Whatever, if you're in the design department or if you're in the shop working or on site, it's just attitude. That's the difference between good people and not so good people.
Well, it's the whole expression with looks good from far, but it's far from good. So what would be something that looks good? The painting quality.
Is spraying cabinetry on site. That is the wrong way to do it with today's technology and kind of products. You should never spray your cabinets on site. It should be done in a shop where it's a controlled environment. You can use better products and it gives a better and more resistant overall product.
If you see it in a photo or in a video, it's going to look good. But if you touch it or you're close to it and you know what to look for, you could tell that it's not good. So yeah, that's something that would look good, but it's not good actually.
Thank you.